Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. On today's video I'm going to be making some vegetables and some chicken breast. I'll start by cutting my chicken breast. I'll dice it up, put it in a bowl, and I'll go ahead and season it. With my seasoning, I have some ginger powder, some chili flakes, some smoked paprika, seasoning cubes, and some salt. I'll pour my seasoning mix into the chicken, add a bit of olive oil, mix it up together, and leave it by the side to marinate for at least 20 minutes. I'll come to my vegetables. I have some red onion, some bell pepper, some courgettes. I'm going to slice them into chunky sizes. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for my returning subscribers. And if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. After slicing the vegetable, I'll mix it all up together. I'll prepare my roasting pan and I'll pour the vegetable into the roasting pan. Here I'll season with some seasoning cubes, some oregano, salt, and a dash of olive oil. I'll go ahead and mix it up together. After mixing the vegetables, I'll transfer it to the oven to roast for 20 or 25 minutes. In a pan, I'll add a little bit of oil. I'll then add the marinated chicken. I'll cook the chicken until it's properly cooked. Here the vegetable has been roasting for 25 minutes. And as you can see, it's all ready. And also the chicken has been cooking and it's now ready for a mix. I'll transfer the vegetable into the chicken, mix the two together, and we are ready. You can have this on its own, with rice, or with a flatbread. This is very healthy, very simple and easy to make. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video.